You may wonder if MQL5 is free of charge. The answer is simple, yes, MQL5 can be used completely free of charge. Similar to MetaTrader and the reference for MQL5, the strategy tester and the programming environment that you will use are also free of charge. All these elements are available for download on the MetaTrader website and can be downloaded with just one click. However, one drawback is that beginners, in particular, often have difficulties finding the right sequence of steps. Take assembling Ikea furniture as a metaphor. For example, if you throw all the screws and boards from the boxes into a pile, it can be difficult to assemble the right furniture from them without proper instructions. It's a similar story with programming, especially in the early stages. It can quickly lead to despair and cause budding programmers to give up quickly. But why should you go through the trouble of learning something without seeing the corresponding successes? This is exactly where an MQL5 course comes in. This one offers step-by-step instructions, a sort of recipe that anyone can follow and that isn't so complicated that you want to give up right away. Many programmers often claim to create the most beautiful and complicated code that no one understands. But it is quite possible to start with MQL5 for free and to achieve first successes with a few simple commands. Other programming languages like Python are also capable of doing this. Python, just like MQL5, is also available for free, but it is not specialized for creating exclusively automatic trading systems. Therefore, with MQL5, you can save yourself a lot of time by only using the functions that you actually need for automated trading. MQL5 is also a part of MetaTrader, one of the most popular free trading platforms supported by most brokers. This means you have more choice, as presumably your broker also offers MetaTrader. When I started programming, I first used free resources, which included YouTube videos, forum posts, and then I also bought a few books. A lot of things I had to figure out on my own. But today, in the age of multimedia and smartphones, you can learn the basics of MQL5 on your own within a few weeks, or you can use a course like the one we offer on our website. Most people realize within a week or two whether they want to continue with the subject or if they would rather outsource the programming. On the website MQL5.com there is the possibility to have such programs created. However, hiring a programmer has a disadvantage. Behind every change there are usually 2 new requests waiting, which then have to be commissioned and paid for again. It is therefore helpful to understand the program code itself, as this always opens up possibilities for improvement that one might not have thought of before. Since MQL5 is available as a programming language completely free of charge, you can start programming your own trading system today. That's it for this video. Thank you for your attention and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.